Dan, I just grew my business to 6 figures a year. But how can I get to the next level?
John, that's very good. A 6-figure business, that's not easy. 10K a month. How do you get to that next level? First of all, you have what I call a lifestyle business, okay? It's not a bad thing, but it's not a serious business yet. 6-figure is comfortable, you're paying the bills, and that's fine. And most people would be happy with a lifestyle business like that, and there's nothing wrong with a lifestyle business. But to get to a decent sized business, we're talking about 7-figure, multiple 7-figure, or even 8-figure business. You're providing a service that the marketplace is willing to pay for, and your clients like it, and they hire you, and that's all good. So to get to that next level, I'm gonna give you 3 simple tips. Number 1, you wanna keep driving the demand for your business and for your service. So when you could do that, the first thing you wanna do is you want to increase your price. Because if you are working with the same amount of clients, yet you charge more money, guess what happens? You're making more profits. When you make more profits, you can make improvements, you can hire more people. So increasing price is the easiest way to grow your business if you have that demand. So you want to keep the demand going, you want to keep yourself busy, and you want to keep increasing that price so you can increase your profit margin. Because when you're selling a service, right, you're trading hours for dollars. Even if you have a team, it is still limited by how many clients you could actually take on, how much time you can devote to each client. So that's good. That's the first tip. Increase your price. It gives you more profit margin so you could do more things. Number 2, you need to put procedures and systems in place. Onboarding clients, attracting clients, closing clients, fulfilling all those services. You want to have what I call SOP, standard operating procedures, in every aspect of your little agency, your business. Why? Because now you could hire some competent people, not just some freelancers, not just some part-timers, some serious people to join your team so they could run the day-to-day for you while you're going out there and hunting for more clients and bringing in what I call the whale clients, right? The clients who pay you a significant amount of money. One of my Deadlock advisors, Jeremy Haynes, actually runs a 7-figure digital agency. His clients on average pay him $50,000 or more per month. Think about that, per client, $50K or more per month. How could he charge that kind of money? What does he do? Think about the value he's providing to clients, because he understands he's not in the business of just providing that service. He's in the business of generating revenue for his clients, and he gets a piece of the action. He gets a piece of the revenue, and that's what he does. Tip number 3, you want to specialize. So you want to narrow down the value that you are providing to the marketplace. Instead of trying to be everything to everybody, you want to be a specialist. Why? Because the more specialized you are, the more money that you could charge. Think about a brain surgeon versus a family doctor. Who makes more money? A brain surgeon, obviously. Why? Because a brain surgeon is a specialist. So when you specialize, now you can ask for more money. You can attract the ideal clients that you could provide value to. So let's say you're providing digital marketing services. Instead of trying to do everything, or you're gonna build a website, you're gonna help them do funnel, you're gonna help them do pay-per-click, and then you're gonna help them do SEO. No, you don't do that. You wanna pick one area that you know you can add the most value. People come to you just for that thing. Maybe just Google pay-per-click, period, or just SEO. That's what you want to focus on. And the more specialized you are, the more compelling, attractive you are to the ideal clients. Now you could ask for more money. The more money you could charge, the more profits that you make. The more profits that you make, you could hire better people and grow a better team. And that's how you take that business to 6-figure to 7-figure. And remember, the objective of marketing is to sell more of your products and services to more people more often for more money. Until next time, I'll see you, my friend.